Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a Transporter T5, and we've installed a DMX9724XDS into this vehicle, updating it to the latest technology. They've done all the camper conversion and roof, etc., and it needs a good media system. I'll pop the ignition on, there we are. So this unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless and wired. It's also got steering wheel control inputs, so you can use the steering wheel controls to adjust the volume. If I go onto the home screen, there we are. So you've got wireless mirroring as well for Android devices. We've got FM radio, Bluetooth audio, iPhone connectivity, but that's all done via the CarPlay. We've got USB for charging and any other music device, high-res music, etc. An HDMI in, which is really handy for if you've got an Amazon stick or a Apple TV, you can have that. It's got a HDMI socket on the back of the unit, where you can also run that an extension out to the glove box for an extra small amount of money. It's got an AV in as well. It's got 4 camera inputs, which is really nice. So when I go to the home, just in the top corner here, you can actually have a camera, and you can actually have 4 when you activate them. You can actually have one on each wing mirror, one on the front, one on the back, and you can tap on each one and you can see it on here any one time. You've also got the option of doing all your audio settings and subwoofer control if you have, and obviously the compass, which is really nice. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.